Welcome to the video. In this video, we're going to do a brief overview of Node.js. So if you go to their website, you can go ahead and download Node.js here, and they have a great description of exactly what Node.js is. So you can run JavaScript everywhere. Node.js is a free, open source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that lets developers create servers, web apps, applications, command line tools, and scripts. It is a phenomenal tool, and it is great to use. Now, one of the ways that you use Node.js is by using the Node package manager, and that's how we manage our packages on the applications that we're building. So if we go to npm's website, you can learn more about this. But it's a Node package manager, and it is used frequently, all the time, when you're using Node.js. Now, one of the problems with Node.js and npm is oftentimes they do updates, and a lot of times those updates will break different versions that you're working with, and it can cause issues. So what they came up with, the solution for this, and by default, when you install Node.js, you can have their Node version manager. So if we go to downloads, you can install this and use the Node version manager, and you can just copy this code to the clipboard. And this is the GitHub repo, and so you can learn more about that. But it lets you change the versions of npm and, of course, Node.js. And there are multiple ways you can do it. By default, the Node version manager is NVM is the default install, but you can also install FNM, which has become a very popular node manager as well. You can install it using Brew, and Brew is an extremely popular way to install different types of applications and packages as well. So this would, if you are a Mac user and you're getting into development, definitely look into using Homebrew. And so another option is Docker. So you can use Docker to install different things. And of course, the Docker website, you can find out more about that there. If you are on a Windows machine, so we'll switch over here to Windows, they have Chocolatey, or Chocolatey, or however you pronounce that. And so you can use that as a package manager if you're on Windows. And I do have a GitHub repo with Markdown notes that I've created, and you can learn more about these. And I also have links to all of these websites that I've covered here as well. So last but not least, we're going to look at the pnpm. So pnpm is a Node package manager, but the P stands for performant, and it is a fast disk space efficient package manager. So it's become very popular because of its speed and efficiency. So that is an option, and the reason I created this tutorial is because a lot of people have been installing the bolt.new on their local machine, and one of the prerequisites is that you have to have these versions of Node and npm. So I have created this walkthrough documentation, and if you go to the repo and you want to learn more about the codes and more notes about that, just I'll have this in the description, and you can go here and it'll give you the commands on how to install different versions and how to enable different things. So, and I've done this for all of the things that we've talked about today. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.